Hello all. In this video, you will know what would happen if you sneeze with eyes open, how ants fall from any height and survive. A gram of saffron costs from 80 rupees to 500 rupees. In this video, you will know why saffron is so expensive and many other facts. The sun releases energy at a mass energy conversion rate of 4.26 million metric tons per second, which provides the equivalent of 384.6 septillion watts, which is 3.846 into 10 power 26 watts. In other words, in 1 second, our sun produces enough energy for almost 500,000 years of our civilization's current needs. Leaf sheep sea slug, also known as a leaf slug or leaf sheep or a salty ocean caterpillar. It can undergo photosynthesis. They can be found between 9 and 18 meters beneath the ocean where sunlight can still penetrate. And this is the only animal which can photosynthesize. There is a place in Austria called Green Lake, which is a park in winter and a lake in summer. In winter, this park is just a normal park, but in the summer, it turns into a lake. The park is surrounded by a row of mountains. In winter, the mountains are covered in snow, and in summer, the snow melts and the water runs down the mountain sides and settles in the basin below. Prongons have 8x vision. Their eyes are as big as an elephant's. They see the world as if you would be using binocular with 8 power magnification. With eyes set far apart, its field of view is much wider than you see even with the naked eye, which means that on a clear night they can see the rings of Saturn. There are more lion statues in the world than there are real lions. If a flatworm head is cut off, not only does it regrow its head and brain, but the new brain contains all the memories of old brain. The worm is one of many creatures that have some kind of memory for lost limbs, enabling them to regenerate what was there before. Victoria water lily is the strongest leaf in the world. Huge Victoria water lily leaves are so large that some adults and children up to 140 pounds can actually sit on them. It is an extremely labor-intensive crop. The saffron crocus flower in the fall. Each flower has 3 tiny thread-like stigmas in the center. Since such a small part of the flower is used, it takes 75,000 saffron flowers to make 1 pound of saffron spice. The small amount of saffron spice per plant, along with the fact that harvesting must be done manually, leads to saffrons being majorly expensive. Yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open. And no, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out of your head, isn't true? And why our eyes automatically close when we sneeze? Sneezing includes an automatic reflex that closes your eyes. An automatic reflex is a motor action that your body makes in response to a stimulus. It doesn't involve a conscious decision on your part to take that action. It's possible to sneeze with your eyes open, but most people have to make a concerted effort to override their reflex to keep their eyes open. How do ants fall such a height and survive? Easy. Two factors save them. They have so little mass relative to their air resistance that they fall slowly, and therefore they have little energy to dissipate when they hit. Their bodies are tiny deformable tanks, well designed to absorb blows. Ants, like all objects falling through the atmosphere, have a terminal velocity that depends on their size, shape, and mass. An ant picks up speed as it falls through the air. The air, in turn, resists her movement with a force proportional to the square of her speed. Eventually, she reaches a speed at which the upward drag forces exactly balance her downward weight and she stops accelerating. That speed is her terminal velocity. She thrusts her legs out, presenting more surface to the air to fall slower, like a flat sheet of paper instead of a balled up sheet.